So we's getting ready to meet with the A-Rob. It's dark as shit, so sorry.
No. What? What you say? You trying to grab somebody?
I got two! Oh shit! Step it up! Hey, hit his car, son. I'm about to.
I gave somebody some Gap insurance on the way here.
There you go.
Oh shit!
This fool scared somebody.
Remember, this right here, turbo swap now. He saw it. He saw it yesterday.
Dude,
already turbo swapped it.
we here. We at the meet. I got lights. I don't know his name.
Nick.
What's up?
That ain't good.
Look at this motherfucker. Yo, they funny as shit. I thought that was a fucking Honda. Hey, who the fuck are you? It's not the Wolfpack guy, is it? Hey.
Bye. I'm gonna laugh if I actually beat that car that was actually driving slow.
Are you done? You're killing me, bro.
A friend of mine has a Toyota. He has the Venmo taillights.
What? You said what?
A friend of mine has a
Where'd that fucking Subaru go? That's all I care about. Okay. What if that was Trent?
Trent has the hatch.
I know, I said, what if that was Trent?
I'm like, hey, glad you made it out of here, man.
Hold up, is that what you call him?
Who, David?
Yeah.
No.
Oh. Don't fuck up. Oh my god, you be killing me, bro. Is that the one?
That's sweet.
Gang. I don't think, did it have like gold rims? Oh, look who it is. What's up, bro?
Working.
Working. I feel you on that.
That's it.
Because I was staring at her.
This is Nick's car.
Yeah, that's his name?
Yeah.
Where's Courtney? Hey girl, that's the car. That's the car from Cruise for the Troops, right? I was just editing this photo. Hold up, was this the one at the meet?
Because I saw the video you put on YouTube. It looked like your car, but I couldn't tell.
This Trent?
No, that one was Trent's.
This one?
Yes.
That's what I said.
No, you were pointing at the white one.
No, that wasn't. I didn't mean to point at it. All right, I'm about to fucking take pictures. Oh shit, he's back. Look it. All right, something's different. Oh fuck it. You see? What the fuck is going on? What's up? Look.
Somebody come and look at this.
Hi, Pepper.
Chase.
Chase, TR.
And yeah, you better. She's dope. He likes people.
Is that him? Gang! Boy. Oh look, it's trouble, y'all. It's trouble right here, man.
All the trouble around here.
It's my man's. Look, hold up, I gotta adjust. What's up?
You make him adjust for you, make him duck down.
Look, where's your car?
It's in my garage. It's in his garage.
I wanted to see the sexy too. Like what?
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.